Tonight I made mini meatloaves. To a large bowl, I added 1 package of stovetop stuffing and 1 cup of milk. I let it sit a couple minutes so the milk absorbs into the stuffing. Then I added my ground beef and all my other ingredients, and I gave it a really good mix, and I will have my recipe in the comments. I made a simple sauce to top them with, using brown sugar, ketchup, and mustard. Then I sprayed my muffin tray with some cooking spray. Then I filled each one of the muffin cups with some of the meat mixture. I pressed them down, then topped them with the sauce. Then I baked them at 400 for 30 minutes. These came out perfect. They were so juicy and delicious. You definitely need to give them a try. Don't forget to follow, like, or share. So good.